Hello guys, myself Rakesh Patil. Today's date is 7 December and 2021 and today's topic is constructors. Constructor in Java, as the name suggested in a terminology been used construction something in our programs. So basically if you think about deeper, we always declare variables later initialization them Java. Being object oriented language, our goal is to bring code closer and real world where we create object. No, now some days we needed to look over the constructor. These object get they initially working. How constructor are different from the method in Java? Construction must be the same name as the class with which in is defined while it is necessary method in Java. Constructor do not return any type while method have a return type. Void is if does not return any value. Constructor are called only once at a time. Object creation while method can be called any number of time. Need of constructor. Think of a box. If talk about a box class, then if you have some class variables, breadth, length, breadth and height, but when it comes creating its object, box will now exiting computer memory. Then the box value defined is dimension. The answer is no. So constructor are used to assigning values to the class variable, object, recreation, either exploitation by the programmer and Java itself. Default construction. When is the constructor called? Each time an object is creating using a new double comma keyword, at least one constructor, it could be default constructor, is invoked as assigned initial value to data members same class. Now correct the time to discuss type of constructor. So primarily two types of constructor in Java: no argument constructor, parameter constructor. Type 1, no argument constructor. No argument constructor, a constructor that has no parameter, is known as default constructor. If we don't define a constructor in Java, then the compiler creates default constructor with no argument for the class, and if return constructor with argument or not no argument, then compiler does not create default constructor. So constructor use assigning values to create the class variables and time of object creation, either implicit done programming or Java itself. Default constructor. Type 2, parameterized constructor. A constructor that has parameter is known as parameterized constructor. If we wanted to initialize fields of the class with our own values, then use parameterized constructor. Now most of the importance topic comes on the incorporate oops construction known as constructor overloading. Just like method, we overload constructor creating object different ways. Compiler different construction basis of number of parameters, types of parameter and object oriented parameter. And we see the constructor can be used the multiple times in a program. That can be used for the calling the program, and can be used also for initializing the program. Constructor is a same name as per the we name as a class file. And for example, we create a class name circle. When circle is initialized by in a public method, and we started the program, we taking first semicolon. After that we type the enter the value from entering the value from user, and user enter the value, and we create a simple calculation example like 1 plus matlab 1 plus 1. Then the constructor as same as input, we create a method in a constructor while using void, and we calling the constructor, same constructor, in a main method. That is the example for the constructor. Thank you for watching.